There are jinns in your toilets, and it's dangerous to stay there for a long time. Let me explain to you. We spend more and more time in the toilet because of our phones, scrolling on the networks, while it is a place frequented by jinns. And spending more time than necessary in the toilet favors possessions, and that a jinn attaches to you. You probably don't know it, but jinns like to look at you when you're naked, and I'm going to teach you 2 ways to protect yourself. Firstly, when you undress, the Prophet ﷺ taught us that if you say Bismillah, then Allah puts a veil between you and the jinns that prevents them from seeing your nudity. And secondly, when you go to the toilet, which is a place frequented by jinns, you absolutely have to say this prayer to be protected. Oh Allah, I seek refuge with you against evil and female demons. And when you go out of the toilet, you have to say, Oh Allah, forgive me. And know that there is no reason to fear or to be afraid of jinns, because if you place your trust in Allah and apply the